the next piece that you really want to be thinking about in your personal branding journey are the events that you go to and eventually the events that you want to start speaking at. So inside of Brandpod, you can go into events and keynotes. You want to go to all events and see which are the events that are coming up in your industry. You'll be able to see what the event date is, where the event is. You'll even be able to look at the exact location on a Google map if you need to. It's going to tell you what the event is about. Again, similar to the podcast, it's going to tell you which topics each of these events is covering and who it's for. You can expand this and see some more information about the venue, the website, and the contact information. A lot of events will prefer that you reach out through their application process on their website. But again, no matter what it is, whether it's a website form that you need to fill or a person that you can reach out to, it will show you all the information it has found after scouring the internet, going through all of the pages of their website and finding the information that it can for you. You'll be able to see the website link. You'll be able to see the confidence in how close it thinks you would be a match for this event, who to reach out to, and what the exact instructions are for reaching out based on the information that they have on their website. This is a great opportunity just to know which events you should be at, decide for the rest of the year, or at least for next quarter, which events you want to invest in being at in person. It'll also show you online events and hybrid events, if those are things that you want to look into as well. You can use the filters to really hone into the events that you're looking for. So lots of different options, but super important to understand which events are coming up next quarter and the next 2 to 3 quarters actually, so you can really start to plan for those events. Now, if you're a speaker or an aspiring speaker, you should also be thinking about how to start getting featured on their stages. So if you are doing this in a different platform, some of the information that you want it to pull for you is the contact information, the application form, and then how your expertise would match with what they're looking for. Just like with podcasts, this will write an email for you, connect the dots between your expertise and the event's key topics to make sure that there is alignment and that you're presenting yourself as somebody who can add value to that event versus just somebody who wants to be on a stage for the sake of it, right? Because event hosts are looking to fill butts in seats. They just want to get butts in seats. They want to fill their stadium. They want to fill their auditorium. So if you can show them how you could provide value to their audience, to attract more of their audience, to get more people to sign up, and also to get their audience coming back for more next time, that is the kind of pitch that's going to get you in front of event hosts and make you stand out from all the other speaker applications they're probably also getting. You'll also want to think about how to position yourself for each of these events. What is your key differentiator? You'll need a speaker bio. Some events will ask for an MC bio, so it's already created all of that for you. And you'll want to have at least 1, if not 1 to 3 keynote presentations ready to go. Most speaker applications will ask you all of these details. So it'll ask you everything that it's given you here. What is your core message? Who is it for? What are the key takeaways? What are people going to be able to walk away with? Why is this different from anything else out there? How do you position your speaker topic now, your keynote? And why your audience needs to hear this right now. It's also going to show you which events would be a perfect fit for each of the keynotes it's suggesting for you. If you already have a keynote or you already have an idea of what you want to create your keynote about, you can also say add new topic, add in the topic here, let it generate the keynote for your topic, see what it comes up with. And again, if you choose to replace the whole thing with something that you already have, you can do that as well. It will then help you create your slides as well. So you can do all of that, have your slides hosted within Brandpod, export them to Google Slides if you need to, and have everything from your speaker kit to your speaker bios, to your speaker applications, to your event lists that you know you want to target, as well as your signature keynotes, all done, all ready to go. This part, again, is a lot of fun, just like podcasts. Podcasts are a little bit easier to get going with. Once you start speaking, it is super fun. So again, if that's on your list of goals, you definitely want to be mindful about which events you're attending and which ones you are pitching to speak at. So enjoy the process, and I will see you in the next video, which is about writing for third-party blogs and publications. I'll see you.